One typical passenger vehicle emits about 4,600 kilograms of carbon in a year. Now multiply that with all the vehicles on the road, year after year, and what we have is this: a huge problem in our hands. To combat climate change, we need to drastically reduce fossil fuel emissions and bring down excess CO2. With each passing day, EV has become a necessity from just an option. At MoveInSync, we help you bring down your organization's CO2 emissions and also track the data with the press of a few buttons. Did you know? One of our clients' largest offices in India made a 100% EV adoption. 3 of our largest clients do 32%, 28%, and 16% of their total trips on EV vehicles. But how can you track your CO2 emission numbers when you are using MoveInSync's cutting-edge services? Here's how. MoveInSync has its own electric vehicle dashboard. Using it is as easy as a walk in the park. Here's what you need to do. First, make the selection of the dates for which you want to see the data on EV utilization. Here, you can see the number of EVs deployed in the fleet. That way, you know exactly how many EVs you need the next time. Check the distance your EVs can travel here based on their charge status so you can optimize better. For the selected time period, check the energy savings and trips the EVs have taken. Flaunt your sustainability initiatives proudly. Here, you can see the average utilization of your EVs. Have the pulse of your green commute in your fingertips always. Ideas come from humans. We are the innovators. It is the limitless potential of teams like yours and ours that can reduce CO2 emissions and help make the Earth a slightly better place. That is something to be hopeful about and proud of. Get in touch with MoveInSync today to explore how to become more sustainable.